How do you feel? It's not just about what's inside you. It comes by the flow of doing things that work in harmony. Like water, flooding any shape to reach its goal. We refuel your success by developing exclusive filling systems, making you feel accompanied, safe and excited wherever you are. But it's more than technology. It's knowing that the essence is to build a lasting relationship. That only when you join the path does everything make sense. Because at AiCROV, filling goes beyond machines. Is the feeling that flows in every solution we create. And now, how will you fill?